Let's talk about the EMEET SmartCam C960. It's a pretty awesome camera. This little camera has 1080p resolution and is a beast in low light correction, meaning the lower the light, this thing will adjust itself and make sure everything is in focus, everything is sharp, and everything is well lit. How cool. Of course, right now I'm shooting with a cinema camera and I need a bunch of different lights. When we switch, I'll turn off some of those lights and be able to show you the great capabilities and the great quality of this plug and play USB camera. Speaking of USB, I just plugged it into my Mac and it will work on PC and it works right away. No drivers to install and you're ready to go for your next online meeting, your Zoom call, your Skype session, whatever. And it has two omnidirectional microphones right there on the unit itself. It has noise reduction as well, so any background noise will be filtered out and your voice will be the main attraction. Now the other thing that you might have noticed is this little thing at the top. Well, this is how you actually create some privacy. Look at that. Now everything is blacked out, no one can see me, and I control it not via the software, but physically. So I always know if my camera is shooting me or not. It has great articulation, so you can actually set it up and prop it up on top of a monitor or just set it up on your desk, just like that. It's pretty cool. Now, let's switch it to this cam so you can actually see the quality. And look at that. We're shooting right now with the EMEET Webcam C960. I shut off a lot of lights just to show you that low light capability that this camera has. And just to show you and prove to you how many lights I've shut off, I'll switch live to my cinema camera just now. And you can see how little light the cinema camera is able to see. But look at this, going back to the webcam. Wow. There's no denying the sharp focus, the omnidirectional microphones, the USB plug and play. This camera can do it all. It's awesome.